My name is Brian Sayre. I'm the Health System Director of Pharmacy at Charleston Area Medical Center in Charleston, West Virginia. CAMC is a 4-hospital health system that spans across 2 counties within the central part of the state. We provide pharmacy services from both acute care, outpatient, and specialty pharmacy across the continuum. Comprehensive pharmacy services impacts hospitals and health systems, pharmacies in a multitude of ways. There are a team of over 2,000 experts and leading technologies that are behind you, helping you to achieve your goals and mission. They work with you and with the health system to determine what are those strategies and outcomes that you want to achieve. They put all of the resources together to help you drive those outcomes, drive those metrics, so both you and the client are successful. Comprehensive Pharmacy Services empowers the Health System Director of Pharmacy in a multitude of ways. They provide a lot of resources to help you look like a shining superstar. They provide industry-leading resources, tools, analytics, and data to help you achieve the outcomes that you are looking for and implement the strategies that you and the client have put together. One thing that becomes very challenging is how do you develop all of these outcomes and measures and metrics? Again, data drives decisions, data drives solutions. So when you have all of these resources and expertise behind you to help you succeed and to drive the outcomes that you desire, it really sets you up for success. CPS has the tools and resources to help you be successful. CPS employs a platform of over 15 industry-leading technologies that help you to be successful. There's over 40 years of data, analytics, and resources that have went into developing these tools. As a health system director, it becomes very challenging in how you do your job each and every day. So these tools become absolutely critical for your success. One particular example is RX Trend Analytics. RX Trend Analytics continually reviews different classes of drugs to help identify medications, maximize savings opportunities, and create new clinical initiatives. The RX Assess. RX Assess helps benchmark operational performance on more than 300 criteria. RX Document Solutions becomes another important tool. The RX Document Analytics captures data and combines it into relevant reports to provide complete visibility so directors of pharmacy can see their complete picture. CPS analytic tools help track trends to increase efficiencies and fight drug hyperinflation. RX Clinical Analytics pulls in trends and resources from across the continuum to look at your clinical operations in order to save you potentially millions of dollars annually. RX Purchasing Analytics actively monitors and uncovers savings opportunities by looking at price differences, inventory trends, and more. CPS can provide a multitude of other tools to help our pharmacy staff. In order to support detailed clinical discussions at the pharmacy and therapeutics meetings, CPS is an industry-leading content management database called RxIntelliNet. The RxIntelliNet has over 4,000 pieces of content such as peer-reviewed articles, journal articles, and other clinical resources at your fingertips. It is organized around clinical protocols and allow users to easily obtain supportive information. We know we spend a lot of time out in the community and out reading through the literature trying to find all this information. Having it at your fingertips saves you time, effort, and energy. Additionally, as a pharmacy solutions thought leader, the CPS RX Learning Center delivers a rich library of online resources that offers best practices, policies, and protocols. In addition, we've developed our CPS Online Insights and News resource, thought leadership that contains white papers to industry-published articles authored by CPS pharmacy experts. Many of these publications provide continuing education for pharmacy personnel. The material is available online to anyone. Comprehensive Pharmacy Services performs a customer administrative review for many of its clients. The administrative review provides an opportunity to sit down with the C-suite of the organization to go over your clinical, financial, and operational metrics that you've been achieving at the site. Additionally, it provides you an opportunity to meet with the C-suite individuals to talk about what are the strategic goals that both you and the organization are wanting to achieve over the next period. Gives you a great opportunity and a chance to really set those goals and objectives so that both you and the client are working together to achieve the right things. Also, Comprehensive Pharmacy provides another proprietary tool called the RX Mobile Dashboard. This tool works on your mobile devices to provide real-time operational and clinical metrics that the C-suite can take a look at any time that they choose.
I'm Chuck Fogel. I'm with Comprehensive Pharmacy Services. I'm the Division Vice President for our Clinical and New Business Development Program. I've been with the organization for about 5 years now, and I work closely with our partner hospitals to ensure that the solutions from a pharmacy standpoint are provided on a daily basis. CPS has several solutions for hospital-owned outpatient pharmacies. What we do is we go in and work closely with their outpatient services to identify the medications that are being used, and then we take those medications and we run them through our clinical analytics programs to see if there's opportunity to change medication use in the outpatient setting. We know that there's a high cost with some of the newer drugs that are coming to market, so we'll provide an opportunity to look at their reimbursement as well as their utilization to see if we can impact the reimbursement piece, increase reimbursement in their revenue in the facility while driving out some of the costs associated with those medications. CPS has a division dedicated to specialty hospital pharmacies that focuses on our long-term acute care, skilled nursing, critical access, rehab, and specialty hospital pharmacies. The division focuses on operational, clinical, and compliance and regulatory services. We provide operational solutions in the form of RxAssess. We do a deep dive into their operations. We also look at their clinical focus. We improve the quality of medication delivery to the patient. And from a compliance and regulatory standpoint, we make sure that they're 797 and 800 compliant, as well as their narcotic use is compliant through gap analysis and surveys that we perform on an annual basis. When you partner with CPS, we come in and provide solutions for your hospital pharmacy services, and we assess your operations from the ground up through gap analysis, RxAssess, which is about a 300-point deep dive into the operations, clinical, compliance, and regulatory. If you're a 340B hospital, we look at that aspect as well. So we come in and we provide solutions to make sure that your pharmacy is optimized from the ground up. CPS has been in the 340B space since its inception in 1992. We have subject matter experts that are on the board of SNAFA. We also provide a continuous readiness program for 340B. We're there not only for the short game, but for the long haul as well. We partner with them, we provide those solutions, and we walk side by side for any HRSA audits or questions that they may have regarding their program. CPS can provide multiple solutions for compounding pharmacies, particularly through our Compliance and Regulatory Services Division. They will come in and provide compliance and regulatory surveys to ensure safe compounding of pharmaceuticals in your facility. We look at your USP 797 as well as USP 800 compliance, make sure from a beyond use dating and a safety standpoint that the compounded admixture products are safely inspected, the beyond use dating is correct, and that they're delivered to your patients in a safe manner.
My name is Robert Brower. I'm Divisional Vice President for CPS Telepharmacy, located in Naperville, Illinois. I oversee all operations for all of our accounts in North America, and oversee all the operations for each one of our employees and the expansion of our business. CPS Telepharmacy, the quality product that we're offering is the pharmacists are all very highly trained. We are actually trained by the hospitals themselves, either through live webinars. We're trained on their policies and procedures for that particular hospital to make sure that we're mirroring in every aspect of their pharmacists that work for them. Our pharmacists consist also of residents. We are centralized as a licensed pharmacy, and we are continuously improving our webinars in conjunction with the directors at these various facilities to keep our pharmacists all updated on any type of changes or updates that they are wanting us to do. In addition, CPS Telepharmacy operates within 48 states. We only use licensed pharmacists in conjunction with CPS Telepharmacy. And again, our pharmacists are constantly training and getting updated either through webinars or through educations that's being offered through CPS Telepharmacy. CPS Telepharmacy provides RX Transition, which is a proven product within our company. What we're doing is that we're interacting directly with that patient, both on their medications, their MedRec admit, their MedRec on discharge, and their MedRec follow-up. And what this entails is directly involving us with the patient, going over each one of their medications, possibly dosages, how to take it, concerns, listening to some of the concerns that patient may have. And then upon follow-up, as mentioned earlier, asking that patient at home, how are they doing on the medication? Have they acquired it? Are they taking it? And are they having any side effects? And discuss those on an individual basis with that patient.